Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. First of all, don't forget to subscribe channel. Today, I am going to show you top modern room divider and room partition wall ideas. There are many creative ways to partition a room using walls. Here are some ideas. Installing sliding doors on a track can be a great way to partition a room without taking up too much space. Sliding doors can be made of wood, glass, or even fabric. A floor-to-ceiling bookcase can serve as both a partition and a storage solution. You can leave some shelves open to let light through and use others to display decorative items. Folding screens or room dividers come in a variety of styles and can be easily moved around. They are perfect for creating a temporary partition that can be removed when needed. Hanging curtains from the ceiling is an easy and inexpensive way to create a partition. You can choose from a variety of fabrics and colors to match your decor. Living walls or green walls are vertical gardens that can serve as a partition while also adding a natural touch to your space. If you want to create a partition without blocking light, glass partitions are a great option. They can be clear or frosted for added privacy. Decorative panels can add texture and visual interest to a partition wall. They can be made of wood, metal, or even fabric. If you have a larger space, you may want to consider installing a movable wall system. These walls can be moved around to create different configurations and can be opened up completely when needed. A room divider wall is a partition wall that separates a room into two or more distinct spaces. Here are some ideas for creating a room divider wall. A half wall of columns can create a visual separation between two areas while still maintaining an open feel. Columns can be made of wood or stone for a more traditional look, or metal for a modern touch. Sliding doors on a track can be used to partition a room without taking up too much space. Glass sliding doors can be a great option as they allow light to pass through and create a more open feel. A floor-to-ceiling bookcase wall can serve as both a partition and storage solution. It can be used to display decorative items or store books, and it can also be used to divide a room. A glass partition wall can be a great option for creating a room divider while maintaining an open feel. Glass can be clear or frosted for added privacy. A living wall or vertical garden can serve as a natural partition and add a touch of greenery to a space. It can be made of plants, moss, or even artificial materials. A decorative panel wall can be used to create a unique and visually interesting partition. Panels can be made of wood, metal, or even fabric, and can be customized to fit your design aesthetic. A movable wall system can be used to create a flexible and versatile partition. These walls can be moved around to create different configurations and can be opened up completely when needed. When it comes to room divider decor, the options are endless. Here are some ideas for adding decor to your room divider. Hang artwork on the partition wall to add color and interest to the space. You can choose a single large piece or create a gallery wall with multiple smaller pieces. Mirrors can be used to create the illusion of space and make a room feel larger. They can also add a decorative touch to the partition wall. Plants can be used to add a natural touch to a room divider. They can be placed on shelves or hung from the wall using a macrame hanger. Adding lighting to your room divider can create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. You can use string lights, pendant lights, or even sconces to add a warm glow to the space. Fabric can be used to add texture and color to a room divider. You can use curtains, tapestries, or even a woven rug to create a unique look. Adding shelves to your room divider can serve both a decorative and functional purpose. You can use them to display books, photos, or decorative items. Wall decals can be used to add a unique and playful touch to a room divider. They come in a variety of designs and can be easily removed if you decide to change up the look of your space.